Welcome back to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking. Today's video will be on curry chicken. Stay tuned. Please remember to like the video. Please remember to give your girl a like to help me get in YouTube's algorithm. Stay tuned. Today I'll be preparing some curried chicken. Please remember to subscribe, hit the like button. Please remember to hit your notification bell. So here I have some seasoned chicken that I curried. I added the curry on it, and here I'm adding a little more curry powder to the oil. I allow this to burn. I make sure to stir. Then I added some ground ginger and some ground turmeric. Then I added my chicken in, of which the next step is to cover my chicken to steam. I will not be using any water to cook the chicken because these chickens somehow have a lot of water. Cover on medium heat. I do have another curried chicken video on my channel when I just started. It's about 3 minutes, so this is a second video. I removed the cover and I make sure to stir the curry so that nothing is sticking or burning. The first video I also did, no water was used to cook my curried chicken. Unless it was curried goat, which is a tougher meat to cook. I did not need to use water for my curried chicken. And I allow this to cook for 45 minutes in total. So here I added in my seasonings. Rosemary, bell pepper, some garlic, some onions. I added, and then I covered and allowed to cook for another 20 to 30 minutes or until the meat is cooked and ready. Optional, I added some carrots and some Irish. This is optional, but I do love these veggies in curry. Here my curry is steaming down. It is cooking down to reach the gravy point, and the veggies I added in it, within another 10 to 15 minutes, it should still be crunchy. Here my curry is all done, looking all delicious. It is cooked down to the point of gravy and about ready to serve. Here is my finished curry, and I serve this up with a little white rice, some tossed salad on the side, a little mac and cheese, there you can see, looking all delicious, and some cucumber. Curry is one of my favorite. I love me a curry just like I love pineapple. Look at my mac and cheese, although it's not a mac and cheese video. I heard this meal tasted really good. I am on a no meat fast, so I won't be eating any meat except fish and veggies. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, drop a comment. Thank you for watching. If you're new to my channel, welcome to Shell's Island Flavor Cooking, where home cooked meals are important, they are essential, and they are economical. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Have yourselves a blessed and a peaceful Sunday. If you can't do good, then don't do bad. Stay tuned.